If you're looking to retarget users or prospects who have watched partial or full video of yours on Facebook, then stick around, because in this video I'm going to show how you can create custom audiences and set up retargeting ads to target or reach out to those people who have watched your videos. Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. Now, video viewers are really important part of the audiences on Facebook, because somebody has watched your video either 25% or 50% or full time, and they have consumed the video, and it's a good idea to retarget these video watchers, because ultimately you're looking for leads or sales or conversions, whatever that might be. So if you're in your ads manager, you'll be shown a screen like this. Click on these business tools and click on audiences. When you click on audiences, this page will open up. Now, as you can see, I've already created two video audiences. One is the 75% video watchers, and one is 50% of video watchers. So 50% of video watchers means that those people who have consumed 50% of my video in the last 180 days. You could also set up a timeline of 90 days or 30 days or even 365 days, and that will give you a wider size of audience. Here, because it's 180 days, so my audience size is 32,000, whereas over here it's 75% of video watchers, so it's 20,000. Because these two are two different videos, so hence the size of the audiences differs. But coming back to over here, create audience. If you click over here, so you'll get three categories of audiences: custom audience, lookalike audience, and special audience. Click on custom audience, and over here there are different sources which Facebook allows you to create remarketing audiences. One is the website, customer list, app activity, offline, and here is the video. So as it says, create an audience of people who have watched one of your videos on Facebook or Instagram. So if I click over here, then under engagement you'll have to choose the content type. So people who have, the first one is people who have watched at least 3 seconds of your video. So if you choose 3 seconds of the video, this will give you the maximum size of the audience, because a lot of people must have consumed your video for at least 2 to 3 seconds or up to 5 seconds. But I don't think that this is the right audience to choose, because you'll be targeting a big audience, and even those people who might have bounced off or went away after seeing the initial part of the video. The second one is people who have watched at least 10 seconds of your video. And then this is a new category which has been added: people who have either completed or viewed at least 15 seconds of your video, which is the through play. So if you are looking to set up an audience who have completed your video, then you need to choose this one. And then 25% of the video, 50% of the video, 75% and 95%. So choosing the 95% of your video will give you the least number of audience, because these people or these prospects must have gone all the way to watch the video in its entirety. So obviously the numbers will be less, as opposed to someone who must have watched 25%. So for the sake of this demonstration, since I'm going to go with 25%, once you choose this, you have to choose the video type. So if I click on browse over here, if I click on choose videos, then I'll be shown all the videos that I have set up. I'm going to, let's see, one of the videos. Okay, I'm going to choose this video which has 488,000. Click over here and confirm. Now you have to set up the duration. How far back do you want to go with setting up your audience? So it says over here the number of days people will remain in your audience after they engage with your content. So the maximum time is 365 days. Now that's not really a warm audience. It becomes really cold, because somebody who's watched your video 365 days before, he did not remember your brand. So I usually go with 90 days. You can set up the audience name, so you can say 25% video watchers. Custom audience. You can also add a description. It's going to give you more characters to add. I'm going to create this audience. So it says it'll take up to 30 minutes for your audience to be ready to use. So you can click on next. Next steps are creating an ad using this audience or expanding your audience. I'm going to click done. So Facebook will start populating this because it says over here below 1000. It'll start populating. Don't worry about this one because this is going to change in the next 30 minutes to 45 minutes maximum. So let's go back to our ads dashboard and create an ad. So I'm going to come over here and click on create. Just for the sake of demonstrating in this video, I'm going to click on reach. I'm going to continue this. I just want to show you guys how you can select the audience that we have prepared. So I'm going to go in ad set directly because that's where you will select your custom audience. So here, coming to selecting search for audiences. So if you can see custom audience over here, now you'll find all the audiences that you have created. If you also click on custom audience, you will find the same. So here it is the latest one, 25% video watchers, custom audience. I'm going to click on this. Now I've selected this audience. This is under engagement. So the location and the age and the language, etc., genders and other demographic targeting, it serves as it functions as a AND branch, not OR. So for example, if you have selected this 25% video watchers and you want to further narrow your audience, then what you can do is you can come down over here, click on age, and then choose from 18 to, let's say, 58 or 50, whatever. But I advise against it. I advise that you choose as broad as audience as possible to include basically everyone who's in this audience. So if you click on next, then you'll be taken to the ad, and there you can set up your ad, whether you want to go with a carousel or a single image or a single video, whatever you think that it's appropriate. So you're going to retarget everybody in this video, everybody who have watched your videos for 25%. Now I selected one video, but you could have selected even more. You could have selected up to 5 videos. So it depends on what your objectives are and how far you want to go with your targeting. So I hope it was clear on how you can create custom audiences for people who have watched your videos. So I'm going to continue my Facebook series by adding more videos on how to create custom audiences and lookalike audiences, which are extremely important for remarketing purposes and for targeting those warm audiences. So thank you for this video, and goodbye.